Pakistan, being Alma Ala signatory in 1978, launched the National Programme for Family Planning and Primary Health in ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट 1994 में WHO की मदद से ये प्रोग्राम पाकिस्तान में शुरू किया गया था। Who among the following Prime Ministers of Pakistan secured गवादर from ओमान? इसमें से किस प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने गवादर को ओमान से हासिल किया? ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट फिरोज खान नून। हाई टेक एक्सपोर्ट्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान स्टैंड एट, पाकिस्तान की हाई टेक एक्सपोर्ट की जो परसेंटेज है वो कितनी है? ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट नन ऑफ दीज, इनमें से कोई परसेंटेज नहीं है। विच गैस फील्ड अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज सेकंड लार्जेस्ट फील्ड इन पाकिस्तान विच इज़ बीइंग ऑपरेटेड बाय OCGD? ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट चाचर गैस फील्ड। विच प्रोविंस अमंग द फॉलोइंग हैज़ उच गैस फील्ड, इसमें से किस सूबे में उच्च गैस फील्ड मौजूद है? ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट बलूचिस्तान में। सिंध सागर डूब इज वन ऑफ द 5 मेजर रोप ऑफ पंजाब प्रोविंस। इट इज द ट्रैक ऑफ लैंड बिटवीन द फॉलोइंग रिवर्स। ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट इंडस एंड झेलम। इरसा इंडस रिवर सिस्टम अथॉरिटी was established for regulating and monitoring the distribution of water sources of Indus River in. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट 1992 1992 में इरसा का जो एग्रीमेंट है उसको जो ना एस्टेब्लिश किया गया। करिथर रेंज is a mountain range in Pakistan extended about 190 miles. In which province of Pakistan does the range's largest portion reside? Option B is correct Balochistan. Who was the first Governor General of the State Bank of Pakistan? State Bank of Pakistan के पहले गवर्नर जनरल कौन थे? ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट जाहिद हुसैन। नवाब मलिक आमिर Muhammad Khan, also known as Nawab of Kalabagh, was governor of West Pakistan in 1960. He was from option B is correct Mianwali. In southern Punjab, there is only one hill station. What is the name? southern Punjab में सिर्फ एक हिल स्टेशन है, उसका नाम क्या है? ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट फोर्ट मुनारो। कश्मीर ब्लैक डे is observed on कश्मीर ब्लैक डे कब मनाया जाता है? ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट October 27। हब लेक is situated near. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट कराची। कलार खैर lake is situated in. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट Salt Range. Who was the first captain of Pakistan cricket team? Option C is correct Hafiz Kardar. When was the Constitution of 1973 enforced? Option B is correct 14th August 1973. How much electricity is being generated by Karachi nuclear power plant? Option A is correct 137 megawatt. The first nuclear power plant was set up in Karachi in option C is correct 1972. What is the length of Peshawar to Karachi railway route? Option C is correct 1681 kilometer. What is the total length of Makran coastal highway which is constructed with the help of China? Option C is correct 653 kilometer. Which of the following is the correct group of kharif crops? Option C is correct groundnut, bajra, barley, sorghum, wheat. First martial law was imposed in option A is correct October 1958. Shalimar Garden is located in the city of option A is correct Lahore. Baluki Headworks was built on the river. Option A is correct Ravi. Which is the biggest earth-filled dam of Pakistan? Option A is correct. Tarbela Dam. Wasik Dam is located on. Option A is correct. River Kabul. दरियाए काबुल पर वासिक डैम बनाया गया है. Where Quaid-e-Azam stayed during his last illness in 1948. 1948 में Quaid-e-Azam अपनी बीमारी की हालत में कहाँ स्टे किया? ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. ज़ियारत में. Pakistan's first nuclear power plant was set up in 1972 at Karachi with the assistance of. Option C is correct. Canada. Punjab's size in total land mass of Pakistan is. Option B is correct. 25.8%. After cotton, which is the second highest exchange earning crop of Pakistan? Option A is correct. Rice. Which was the first missile launched by Pakistan? Option A is correct. Hataf. Decimal system was introduced in Pakistan on 1st January. Option C is correct. 1961. The first water accord was signed among the provinces in. Option B is correct. 1991. Rawal Dam was built in 1962 on river. Option C is correct. Korang. Which of the following districts of Balochistan contains huge deposits of copper? Option D is correct. Chagi. The national anthem of Pakistan was approved by the government in. Option D is correct. 1954. Article 257 of the Constitution relates specifically to Jammu Kashmir. According to the article, when people of Jammu and Kashmir accede to Pakistan, then. Option C is correct. People of Kashmir shall determine the relationship between the state and Pakistan. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, who proposed the name Pakistan, is buried in. Option D is correct. Cambridge. Samsung is a big multinational company which markets electronic goods in Pakistan. Headquarters of this company is in. Option C is correct. Korea. Pakistan's national anthem was approved by government in. Option C is correct. 1954. It is the most important question which may be asked in coming exams. When did Pakistan's first participate in Olympic Games? Option C is correct. 1948. Under which articles of 1973 Constitution any law inconsistent with or in derogation of fundamental rights to be void? Option A is correct. Article 8. Imran Khan was recently sworn in as Pakistan's next Prime Minister. Option D is correct. 22. Wasik Dam has built on the river. Option C is correct. Kabul. M5 motorway being built between Sakhar and Multan is about dash long. Option A is correct. 394 km. Hingol National Park, located in Makran district, Balochistan, is famous for its. Option C is correct. Mud Valleys. Which one of the following districts of Punjab has the lowest population density? Option C is correct. Rajanpur. How many administrative divisions are there in Punjab? Option D is correct. 9. Kamran Baradari is one of the oldest Mughal monuments and is located in Lahore. Who exactly was in Kamran? Option B is correct. First husband of Nuran. Who was the American's ambassador who died along with President Ziaul Haq in plane crash in 1988? Option C is correct. Arnold Rappel.